Are you feeling overwhelmed with planning your homeschool day? You're not alone. Let's make it simple and break it down. Get rid of all these action plans and these I must do's and these planners. Let's just break it down and just keep it simple. Let's start with a colourful whiteboard schedule. It's a real game changer for clarity and simplicity. Number 2, balance. Balance is key. Remember, small amounts of work and then a break to rewind and just refresh your brain, your children's brain. How about 30 minutes of work and then a 10-minute break? Let's just break that day down into easy, manageable chunks. And number 3, a real showstopper. How about you ask and let your children choose the subject and the order they learn in? How else could you better empower them and build their confidence? Until next time, bye-bye.